Frustrated with the Outlook MIME Library DLL pop-up blocking Microsoft Outlook MIME Logic? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin the manual steps for Outlook MIME Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Outlook MIME Library, the Outlook MIME Handler Library. It manages the localized unmanaged parsing of localized MIME encoded email attachments and localized message bodies. It facilitates the localized decryption and localized rendering of localized S and MIME secured emails. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. A damaged or incomplete Microsoft Outlook MIME Logic installation is the most likely cause for this error. You'll need to reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft Outlook MIME Logic to restore required files such as Outlook MIME Library DLL to the application directory. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Outlook MIME Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for Outlook MIME Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with Outlook MIME Library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Outlook MIME Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.